Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix iPhone 15 NFC not working, iPhone 15 Plus, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max troubleshooting. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and a volume button and drag the power off slider. Now wait 30 seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. Fix 2. Force restart the iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Update iOS. Open settings, then tap on General. Now go to Software Update and install any available update. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Open settings, then go to General. Now go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on Reset. Then tap Reset network settings. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.